Oh yeah. You don't see the chickens pouring out this morning. Gee, wonder why. Thanks, Wyoming. Here I was bragging on you yesterday. Guess who's hiding out? And they say chickens are dumb. Look at them eating breakfast. Breakfast is served. And here we are, bragging on Wyoming, like I said. And I was so happy because, you know, no mud. I could walk out and get in my car without snow boots or mud boots. But no, Wyoming, she's gonna remind ya. Oops, sorry, getting my getting my broom out, because as you can tell, we need just a little brush down here on the vehicle before I head down the highway and go to work at the library, which of course is 20 miles away, and hopefully the roads are nice, because otherwise I'm gonna be late. I'm always late. I'm every day, can't do it without being late. That's how I roll. Yeah, impressive, huh? Oh, but look, isn't that cool? Whoa! Alright, so anyway, just wanted to share with you that, you know, everybody says they want to live in Wyoming, but do they want to put up with, you know, stuff like this after yesterday and the day before and the day before? Ah, well. Yeah, I love it.